back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you will consider subscribing to my channel. And if you are returning subscribers, thank you so much for your continued support. I would like to share what I got from 20K collection. But before I do my unboxing, I would like to show you what my SA gave me. So she gave me this 2 bottles of fancy juices. This is mango, and this one is peach. And she also gave me some snacks here. So this is the names, and this is how it looks. Now, she's so sweet and always thoughtful. Okay, so let's get started with the unboxing. I've been waiting for this item and I'm so happy that it finally arrived here in Japan. So as always, this is my receipt. Okay. Let's unbox this. Super excited to show you what's inside. There you go. Are you ready? So here she is. Wow, so pretty. Let me just take this out of the way. So here's the dust bag. And the booklet and the cleaning cloth. Okay, so this is my mini Coco handle from the 20K collection or the winter collection, and the color is light beige, and this is how it looks. Let me just take this off. So this is in light gold hardware. Okay, there you go. Here, the side, there's a back pocket, and here's the bottom. And this is how the strap looks like, with the leather here to protect your shoulder, and the strap is detachable. There. So this is with a special top handle in a beautiful embossed leather. So see, you can see how pretty is the handle. So let's take a look inside. So this is how the inside looks like. There's 2 compartments, and there's a divider and a zipper compartment at the back. So it has a fabric interior, same color as the bag. So let's check. Here's the authenticity card. 30 series there. So this is my first beige bag. I am super in love with the color. This is the perfect beige for me. It's so beautiful. I love Coco handle, especially the mini size. This is the bag that you can wear all year round. It's so versatile, elegant, and classy. I'm so happy and grateful to add this to my collection. There. So let's see what we can fit inside this bag. As always, I want to show what we can fit inside. So my phone is the iPhone XS. There. I'll put it there at the back. Card holder. My key holder. Compact powder. There, and my lip balm. So you can see that they all fit inside. So perfect fit. And you can also add some more if you want to bring your mini case or pouch. Can also fit. So I usually put my cash there. There. Perfect. So pretty and elegant. So the strap of the mini Coco handle is short. You can't really wear this as a crossbody. So I want to share this pearl connector or extender that I bought from Etsy. I will put the link down below so I can wear my Coco handle crossbody. So what you do is you just attach it here. Oops. Wrong side. There. So attach it here. And then you put it, attach it to your Coco handle. There. So stay tuned for my mud shots and I can show you how I wear this as a crossbody. For reference, I am 5'4.5", almost 5'5". So you can wear it as a top handle or here to hook off your arm like that. And there's a shoulder bag there. I love it as a shoulder bag. It looks so classy and elegant. And now I will show you how to use this pearl connector. So let's use this so I can wear it as a crossbody. So let me wear this as a crossbody. There. So here you go. It's perfect length for me. If I want to be hands-free. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy my short vlog and unboxing for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe and give me a big thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.